Good day everyone. So i-discuss natin how to evaluate piecewise function sa simpleng pamamaraan. Okay? Let's say for example, we have this piecewise function number 1, f of x is equal to, let's say, x plus 1 if x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 10. Okay, remember kapag baliktad, yung x nandito sa gitna. But the symbol is less than. Pag binasa natin yan, that is greater than. Kasi baliktad no? And you also have the function 3x minus 2 if x is greater than 10 but less than or equal to 20. Then we have another function, x squared plus x plus 1 if x is greater than 20. Okay? So this is an example of piecewise function. Pag sinabing piecewise function, we have a multiple of sub-functions. The function is broken into different parts. Okay, now, kailangan maintindihan muna natin yung inequalities. Ito, x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 10. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, yung value ng xi, mag-start tayo sa 0.1. Bakit? Kasi, ito ay walang equal. Okay? Pag may equal yan, ibig sabihin kasama si 0. Pero kung wala, hindi included si 0. Okay? So, 0.1 hanggang 10. But I think we just list down yung mga integers, no? Yung mga whole numbers. So, let's start tayo sa 1. So, iyan yung value ng x. 1, 2, 3, hanggang, kanino tayo? Hanggang 9 or hanggang 10? Tingnan natin yung symbol. We have equal. So, ibig sabihin, set 10 is included. So, hanggang 10. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung value ng x, if we are pertaining to integers, yung whole numbers ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yan yung ibig sabihin ng inequalities na to. Now, how about this one? X is greater than 10 but less than or equal to 20. X daw is greater than 10. So, kung greater than 10 yan, included pa ba si 10? Hindi na. Wala kang equal. Okay? So, let's start with 11 if we are pertaining to whole numbers. 12, 13, hanggang, kanino tayo? Hanggang kay 20. Kasi may equal dyan. Okay? And the last one, x is greater than 20. Ibig sabihin, yung mga numbers na mas mataas sa 20. So, included ba si 20? Hindi. Kasi wala na tayong equal dito eh. Let's start with 21, 22, and so on and so forth. Okay, now, so kailangan alam mo yun, no? Naintindihan mo itong inequalities. Okay, let's say, letter A, we have f of 1. So, anong function ang gagamitin natin? Ito bang una, itong pangalawa o pangatlo? Okay, nakadepende yan kung naiintindihan mo itong inequality. So, f of 1. Saang part siya nabibilang yung 1? Nandito. Okay, yan o, may 1. So, from 1 to 10 kasi yan, or 0.1 to 10, kung hindi natin kinukuha yung whole numbers. So, nandito siya. So, since nandito siya, ito yung gagamitin nating function. That is x plus 1. Okay? So, f of 1 is equal to, substitute, no? Imbes na x, papalitan natin yung given dito. That's 1 plus 1. So, f of 1 is equal to, napakadali lang, no? So, our f of 1 is positive 2. Ganun lang. Okay, now, how about kung ang pinapahanap sa atin ay f of 10? F of 10. So, saan nabibilang si 10? Nandito pa rin siya. So, nandito pa rin sa first function. So, that is x plus 1. So, f of 10 is equal to what is our value of x? 10 naman. Kasi 10 doon no? So, f of 10 is equal to 10 plus 1, that is 11. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, the f of 10 is 11. Now, let's have letter C. How about pinapakuha sa atin ay f of, let's say, 20. F of 20. So, saan nabibilang yung 20? Nandito siya. So, gagamitin natin itong function na ito. Equals 3x minus 2. So, we have f of 20 is equal to 3. What is now the value of x? That is 20. So, substitute lang. Copy minus 2. So, f of 20 is equal to what is 3 times 20? That is 60 minus 2. And what is f of 20? That is 58. So, the value of f of 20 is 58. So, iyan ang simpleng example ng piecewise function. Now, let's have, for example, we have number 2, f of x is equal to, let's say, x squared minus 1 if x is less than or equal to 0. Then we have 2x minus 1 if x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 5. Then we have 3 if x is greater than 5. Okay. Now, kailangan maintindihan muna natin itong inequalities dito sa right side. X is less than or equal to 0. Ano yung mga value ng x dyan? X is less than or equal to 0. Included ba si 0? Yes, kasi meron kang equal. So, 0, pababa. So, 0, negative 1. If we just get the integers, no? Pero pwedeng negative 0.2, negative 0.5, no? Pero just list down lang natin para ma-visualize nyo, gamitin natin yung integers, yung mga whole numbers. Negative 2, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, how about this? X is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 5. Ano yung mga value ng x dyan? Included ba si 0? Hindi, kasi wala kang equal dyan no? At saka nandito na si 0 So, saan tayo magsimula? 1, if we are pertaining to integers, no? 2 hanggang 5. Included si 5, kasi may equal dyan. Now, ano naman yung mga value ng x if x is greater than 5? Included ba si 5? Hindi. Kasi wala tayong equal sa baba. So, start tayo sa 6, 7, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, let's have, for example, letter A, pinapahanap sa atin ay f of negative 2. So, ano ang gagamitin nating function? Ito yun, negative 2. Nandito yan sa less than or equal to 0. So, ito yung function na gagamitin natin. X squared minus 1. So, f of negative 2 is equal to, papalitan natin si x, negative 2 squared minus 1. So, f of negative 2 is equal to what is negative 2 squared? Remember, nasa loob ang negative. So, negative times negative, positive. 2 times 2, 4. Copy minus 1. So, ibig sabihin, f of negative 2 is 3. Kasi 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Now, let's have letter B. Let's say, pinapahanap sa atin ay f of 6. Saan nabibilang yung 6? Andito siya, no? Sa greater than 5. Kaya anong sabi dito? Kapag greater than 5, automatic, the answer is 3. Wala na siyang variable Basta pag sinabing pag greater than 5, the value is 3. O, ganun lang kasimple. The f of 6 is 3. Let's have letter C. Paano kung pinapahanap ay f of 0? Okay, saan nabibilang yung f of 0? Nandito pa rin siya sa first function. Less than or equal to 0. Kasama kasi si 0 dito. So, x squared minus 1. So, f of 0 is equal to what is the value of x? That's 0. 0 squared minus 1. And what is 0 times 0? 0 minus 1. And what is 0 minus 1? That's negative 1. Ganun lang kasimple, no? The f of 0 is negative 1.